Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here various types of acidic compounds are given. One is phenol, another is aminophenol and nitrobenzoic acid and acetic acid. You have to arrange the compounds by its pKa. The answer lies in the basic facts. You have to analyze which one can donate H plus easily. Normally high acidity will be the lower pKa. So you should mind that. Here electron donating group decrease the acidity, withdrawing group increase the acidity. Normally aromatic acids are higher than the aliphatic acid because of the sp2 carbon. So NO2 with aromatic acid comes first, then the acidic acid because it's the acid. Then the phenolic compounds come. They are basically alcohols. So the H plus donation will be lesser. So it will come least. So C will be higher, D will be lesser due to the amine group which is electron donating group. So acidity will be A, B, C, D. pKa will be reverse of it. Here the concept you have to learn here is electron donating group decrease the acidity, electron withdrawing group increase the acidity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.